Here's a 2018 Honda CR-V. The everyday happens, every day, so enhance it with an SUV that refuses to be boring. The continuously variable transmission with sport mode and the active shutter grille give it fun driving dynamics. The easy fold-down 60/40 split rear seat allows you to fill up the interior with gear, while the active noise cancellation keeps the cabin from filling up with road noise. It also features Bluetooth, multi-angle rear-view camera, and Eco Assist system. Find adventure. Take this CR-V for a test drive today. It's a 2018 Honda CR-V. It's rugged and sophisticated, meaning this CR-V is ready for the moonlit countryside or the bright lights of the city. The easy fold-down 60/40 split rear seat and multi-angle rear-view camera are handy no matter which destination you choose, as are the Bluetooth, rear window wiper, and vehicle stability assist with traction control. With the Eco Assist system and Econ button, you can get there on less fuel, too. Fit for wherever you take it. Make this CR-V yours today.
Thayer Honda is happy to pass the savings and quality on to our customers. Call, click, or stop in today. We are conveniently located at 1019 North Main Street in Bowling Green, Ohio.